People are struggling to pay their rent, leading to an increase in evictions in Sioux Falls. Now several groups are calling for an eviction moratorium.
And South Dakota is getting set to begin mass testing at vulnerable locations. We have the details just ahead. Good morning, this is KOTG on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
Officers with the Sioux Falls Police Department were kept busy overnight. Around 12:30, officers responded to an armed robbery call in the 1000 block of North Minnesota Avenue. When they got to the scene, they found a man who had been stabbed. He was then taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. According to a news release, after the stabbing, the suspect took off with merchandise from the store.
He is described as a Native American male, mid-teens to early 20s, with dark hair and a thin build around 5'7". He was last seen wearing a black and white checkered zip-up sweatshirt, gray pants, and white and black tennis shoes. Anyone with information is asked to call Crime Stoppers or use the P3 Tips app. The investigation is ongoing.
We hope to learn more later this morning at a police briefing you can see right here on KELOLAND.com starting at 10:30. The Sioux Falls Tenants' Rights Union says they're seeing an increase in the number of evictions for non-payment happening in the city.
That's why local clergy and nonprofit members came together to send a call to action letter to Mayor Paul Tenhaken and the City Council. They're asking the city to consider a 90-day eviction moratorium to help those who might be struggling to pay rent right now. This would be in addition to a national halt on evictions for federally backed Section 8 rentals and mortgages that's in place until July 24th.
But even with that moratorium in place, even without HUD or Section 8 properties, being served eviction notices at this time, we're still seeing this spike 20% increase over our average eviction levels for this time.
If you'd like to read the full letter sent to the city and find out why the clergy members signed it, visit this story right here on KELOLAND.com. A 31-year-old woman was found unresponsive in her Minnehaha County jail cell early Wednesday morning. While no foul play was involved, her death is under investigation by the Department of Criminal Investigation.
Jordan Eichmann is a mother of 3 who struggled with meth addiction. In January, she went to stay at the Emily's Hope Sober Living House before entering treatment at the Arch in Sioux Falls.
We knew that she would have treatment that she was going to be required to go to at some point. We didn't know exactly when her bed date would be, but we wanted to make sure that she had a safe place to go to that was going to be supportive until that occurred for her. And then for her to be able to come back to the Emily's Hope House as well.
Eichmann was supposed to return to the Emily's Hope Oxford house next week, but left the Arch early. She was arrested for failing to pay child support.
Temps have been lower than normal all week.
But what can we expect this weekend? Let's find out with meteorologist Scott Munt.
Well, good morning, you two. Good morning, KELOLAND. We can expect rain for the first half of the weekend, which is okay because we've been dry in parts of KELOLAND, especially east central South Dakota. I want to bring up the drought monitor showing that we have been dry in and around Huron as well as north central South Dakota and northeastern KELOLAND. So the amounts of rain that we have going around a ½ inch or more for the southern half of the area will end up being a good thing. Unfortunately, the timing of it falling on the weekend is not. We'll have more details on the KELOLAND live Doppler forecast coming up.
Thanks a lot, Scott. We've learned that starting next week, the state of South Dakota is going to be conducting mass testing at the state's most vulnerable locations.
The priority populations that we'll be focusing on starting next week include nursing home and assisted living residents and staff.
The secretary says the state will also conduct mass testing on South Dakota's Indian reservations, starting with the Sisseton-Wahpeton Sioux tribe, which will be a joint effort between South Dakota and North Dakota. The latest numbers from the state health department shows 4 more people have died from COVID-19 in South Dakota. That brings the state total to 43. Statewide, there are more than 1,300 active cases with 85 people hospitalized. Meanwhile, over 2,400 people have recovered from the virus. New numbers are expected later this morning. Stay with us on air and online.
The Emergency Operations Center is still up and running in Sioux Falls as local leaders work to mitigate the spread of COVID-19.
The EOC opened at the Law Enforcement Center in March, and the public information officer for the incident says it's still operating at the same level as the day it opened.
We're at a point now, just as we're looking at businesses across the community and the city doing phased openings. We're starting to have some conversation about what does the next phase of this operation look like. We're going to need this operation continuing to move forward. We know that, we certainly still have a virus to mitigate in our community.
While the EOC opened in March, a city spokesperson says a team started planning and preparing for COVID-19 in January. Scott?
And this morning in weather, we will continue to follow a thick cloud cover that will move west to east across the area. And along with it, rain chances will pick up in western and central South Dakota. We'll eventually start to see that rain in eastern and southeastern Kettleland tonight. That will last through tomorrow, and then this will eventually come to an end as we go through tomorrow night and early Sunday morning. We'll have a slow decrease in cloud cover on Sunday as temperatures return to the middle 60s for much of Kettleland. Mentioned before, we could use the rain. Rainfall amounts of a ½ inch or more may be found for the southern half of the area. In the meantime, for today, we'll have numbers in the 60s to near 70 degrees across eastern Kettleland. Much cooler in western South Dakota with a high of 58 in Rapid City. You could always check that 7-day forecast while you're online here at kettleland.com.
Thanks, Scott, and thanks for joining us for Kettleland on the Go. Be sure to join us on air for midday in Kettleland.
Until then, you can get up to the minute developments right here on kettleland.com. Now go have a great day.